Jamaica recorded 119 murders for the month of January.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, 119 Jamaicans were murdered across the island in the month of January. That is, according to the periodic crime statistics of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, which has noted a slight increase in murders. There were also 112 shooting incidents on record. Murders have increased by 2.6% when compared to the same period last year. For the month of January in 2020, 116 people were killed. So far this year, the number of murders when compared to last year has increased by 3. St. James recorded the most murders so far this year at 19. The parish also recorded the biggest jump in murder numbers for 2021 when compared to the same period last year. Only 5 people were murdered in the parish in January of 2020. The jump represents a 280% increase in murders for the parish. The Western Parish was followed closely by a number of corporate area police divisions. In St. Andrew South, 18 people were killed. There were 15 murders in Kingston Western and 14 in the Kingston Central Police Division. St. Catherine North rounds out the top 5 most homicidal divisions since the start of the year with 8 murders. Meanwhile, incidents of shootings have seen a major increase so far this year. Last January, the police recorded 96 incidents of shootings. This has passed the 100 mark this January, with 112 incidents being recorded.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!